In this course overview, we're going to take a look at what you can expect from your 6 weeks in the MCT class. This is the very first class in the Media Communications Certificate Program, so welcome to the certificate program and welcome to the course. This course has a lot of different names, and I don't want you to be confused by them. Its full name is Introduction to Media Communications and Technologies. There's an abbreviation that's often used, MCT. We'll use that abbreviation most often. However, there's also a course code that you shouldn't be confused by. That's course MCM1001-O. And then you'll have a section number depending on what section you're in, 75, 76, 77, something like that. This is a very basic overview of the due dates that you have for this class over the 6 weeks. Every Wednesday there's going to be an assignment due. Yep, those right there, the red stars. And these assignments that you see due every Wednesday of our 6 weeks together are called Weekly Exploration and Resources assignments. It's a long name for a very easy, quick look at what your week has to hold. Each of these assignments that's due on Wednesday is worth 0% of your overall grade, but it does need to be completed for the professionalism score, and because the activities contained in there make it possible to complete the project which is due on Sunday. And let's take a look at those Sunday projects. Every Sunday there is a project due, and these weekly projects are worth 15% each. 15% times 6 projects gives us 90 points. That's 90 out of the 100 points of your final grade. So all of these points come from the weekly project. Depending on the technology that you have available to you, you may not have the launch box that you had several years ago. Our assignments are designed so that almost every one can be completed by using online tools, Web 2.0 tools, and web-based applications. If you have a problem completing a task because you don't have a tool, you'll probably be given an alternate written assignment. If you have a question about the technology needed, please reach out to your instructor. The assignments that you do will receive grades and feedback. These grades show up in your FSO dashboard, and they come with comments. Please read the comments so you can understand why you got the grade that you received. And if you have questions about the grade that you received, you can ask your instructor right there underneath the grade and get a response right there underneath the grade. The new messaging in this FSO is very accommodating for that kind of a dialogue. So if you have any questions, you're free to ask them. The professionalism score makes up that last 10%. It's 90% for assignments and 10% for the professionalism score, making the full 100 points for your full final grade. You can read all about the professionalism grade in FSO, and you can also download the rubric there that breaks down how the points are assessed. Your next steps at this point are to go into week 1 and start digging into the assignments. Have a great month in MCT, and if you have any questions, your instructor is a message away.